What's the meaning of crash land? Crash land. Crash land.
Crash land. Crash land. Crashland refers to a situation where an aircraft or spacecraft lands on the ground in an uncontrolled manner, usually due to a malfunction or other unforeseen circumstance. When an object crashlands, it often suffers significant damage, such as bent metal, shattered glass, and broken components. In some cases, the impact of the crash can cause explosions or fires. The occupants of the aircraft or spacecraft may be injured or killed, depending on the severity of the crash. Cleaning up a crash site can also be a difficult and dangerous process, requiring specialized equipment and expertise.